Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. And if you want to start a new YouTube automation channel but don't know what niche to start in, I'm going to share with you 13 niche ideas that you can start in with YouTube cash cow channels. So the beginning of this list are niches that are a bit more well known, but maybe you don't know them. But towards the end, stay tuned because I'm going to be giving you some niches that are absolutely crushing the game right now that people just don't know about. So let's start. Now the first niche I want to go over is celebrities. So this is a very popular celebrity channel. So if you're gonna do celebrities, I do recommend bookmarking this channel called Viral Vision. They are extremely good at staying on top of trends. So whenever a new trend comes out, they are very quick to capitalize on that trend. So right now they're averaging about 2 million views per month, which is around $10,000 per month. And they're posting every single day just because their overhead does not exceed how much they're actually making from this channel. So this channel has been around for about 2 to 3 years, but even so, if you're in celebrities, the thing that you have to do is that you have to capitalize on trending news and ideally be fast to cover that news. If you're not really good with keeping up with celebrity news, I do recommend staying away from the celebrities niche. But if you are going into the celebrities niche, Viral Vision is a good channel to model afterwards. The next channel I want to go over is The Capitalist, and it is a make money online niche. They are posting every single day, and although they're not getting 2 million views per month like the celebrity channel, they are getting 300,000 views per month at a very good CPM. I personally don't know this channel's CPM, but I imagine it could possibly be 2.5 times of what Viral Vision's is. Celebrity CPM is like $8, meaning RPM is like $3 to $5. Capitalist, I wouldn't be surprised if they're making just as much as Viral Vision, as you can see here. But with The Capitalist, it's make money online videos, crypto, NFTs, make money online, stocks, very high CPM niches. This channel did start a while back, but even so, if you're going into the make money online niche, be prepared that it's a long-term route, okay? Notice how this channel does have 728 videos posted. They've been around for over 3 years, and even so, they've only accumulated a lifetime of 12 million views, which is still really good. But the fact is that if you can get your overhead costs extremely low, maybe you want to do make money online, but I do believe there are other better niches, which I'll be going over later in this video. So the third niche I want to go over is tech. So this is a channel called Tech Vision, and I've been following them ever since they're around 100,000 subscribers, and now they're at 760,000 subscribers. The interesting thing with Tech Vision is that they actually stopped posting 4 months ago, which means number one, they either have gotten kind of cashed out and now they're just raking in 1.6 million views per month. So they haven't posted at all within the past 30 days. So the really cool thing is that even though they haven't posted, they've accumulated 1.6 million views, which I believe is definitely over 15 grand. So no overhead, no posting. They're just receiving a paycheck from YouTube every single month for 1.6 million views, 15 grand. That's the really cool thing about this model of YouTube is that ideally, you don't want to stop posting, but even if you did, you would still get paid for your YouTube channels, which is a really cool thing. So as to my speculation why this channel stopped posting, maybe they received 2 copyright strikes. So if you receive 3 copyright strikes, your channel will get terminated. So maybe they're at 2, but even so, a copyright strike only lasts 90 days. And they haven't posted in over 4 months. Kind of figuring out or wondering why they haven't stopped posting, but even so, it is a good model of a channel to go after. Them having stopped posting, my speculation usually is that if a channel stops posting, that usually means something's wrong with the niche. But I know a lot of people who are also in tech who are just doing fine. But even so, let's move on to the next niche channel, and that is basketball. So with basketball or sports, I should say, basketball is definitely one of my favorite niches, and it's one of the niches that I'm in. Right now, it really helps to know basketball, know what trade rumors are happening, knowing what players are potentially going to what teams. So this is a channel called The Flight Mike. They're getting 6.5 million views per month, and they're posting almost every single day. Sometimes they skip out, and this just goes to show how well you know your niche. They're able to capitalize on videos that'll trigger people within the basketball niche, the basketball audience. So this could end the Golden State Warriors. Do you realize, I mean, if you don't know basketball, this is something that's so provocative and so emotionally triggering for people who are Golden State Warriors fans. So this ties to showing that you've got to know your niche. Knowing your niche is definitely a plus when it comes to choosing a niche for your YouTube automation channel. And all these topics, me being a huge basketball fan, these titles are so good, and it comes from knowing your niche. Meet the Kevin Durant of the Philippines. I would click on that. This could be the end of Miles Bridges. I would click on that. So these are very, very good titles. But people who don't know basketball, if they're going into the basketball niche, they're not really gonna know how to title their videos like the way the Flight Mike does. So props to him, very good job, extremely good job. Go into a niche that you know, but let's move on to the fifth niche, which is TV shows. So TV shows, this is a channel called Screen Queens, and they have 78 total videos posted, are averaging about 300,000 views. So 300,000 views is about, I would say, $3,000 per month. And they're only posting once every 3 days. So low maintenance, low overhead, cashing in $3,000 per month. It's a profitable channel. So the thing with Screen Queens is that they capitalize on trending shows. So right now they've tried Netflix, they've tried Heartstopper, they tried Bridgerton. The good thing with this niche is that in another video, you may want to watch it. It's called How to Optimize Your YouTube Videos. Targeting keywords. Good keywords are the names of things. So the names of TV shows, the names of celebrities in TV shows. Again, Umbrella Academy, Stranger Things, Bridgerton, Zendaya, Heartstopper. These are all good keywords to target when it comes to this model of YouTube automation. So if you want to go into TV shows, definitely keep track of this channel to see what videos they're posting. Very small channel, but they have a proven track record of getting viral videos. So this is an ideal channel to be looking at and keep under your radar. Let's move on to the sixth niche, which is gameplay. So ideally, if you play video games, which I'm sure a lot of you do, sadly though, the niche CPM is a bit on the lower side. So you're looking at an RPM of about $3, which is definitely on the lower side, but this is a channel that started less than 5 months ago, but they are posting gameplay and it is monetizable. But notice how this ties to knowing your niche again, being able to understand what would trigger people who play this specific game. And so this is a channel that just stems down to choosing a specific game, knowing what titles and what thumbnails would trigger people who actually know the game as well. And that's why this channel is working. So gameplay, it's a good niche to go into. I mean, imagine playing games and hiring a video editor to cut it and make it shorter, highlight the most important parts of the game, and then actually getting paid for it. Without a doubt, making money from games is entirely possible with YouTube automation. So take a look at this channel. You don't have to play this specific game in particular, but whatever popular game you do decide to choose, take a look at this video and take things from it and apply it to the game that you want to make a YouTube channel on. Now, moving on to the next niche, we have Formula One. So this is a channel called Pit Stop. They're averaging about 170,000 views, which is a couple thousand, I would say, maybe like a little less than $1,000 to $2,000 per month. But their overhead, they're only posting one every 5 days. One video every 5 days, so very low overhead. They definitely are still profitable, but what they're capitalizing on is, again, what I talked about when it comes to keywords. Names of drivers, Max Verstappen, Christian Horner, Sebastian Vettel. So names of people work very well no matter what niche you're in. And this is a clear example of another niche that's worked well, Formula One. So if you know Formula One very well, perhaps this is a niche you want to get into. I've thought about going into it, but me personally, I just don't know it that well compared to how much well I know basketball. So that's why I choose to stay with basketball. Now, the next niche I want to go over is space. So without a doubt, space is a niche I've talked about before. This channel called Voyager is getting 1.4 million views per month. That is a lot of money because I have a space channel myself and the CPM is very good. It's very high. So without a doubt, this channel is making close to $15,000 to $20,000 per month. They're posting about once every 3 days, so they're not even posting daily, all right? But the thing with space, if you're gonna go into space, you have to have really, really good thumbnails. I mean, look how captivating these thumbnails are. Me, not even being a space person, I'm looking at these thumbnails and they are attractive, they sparks interest, it makes me wanna click it. If you're going to space, definitely bookmark the Voyager so that you can keep track of what they're posting. Every single video that they post does really well. 49,000 views, 63,000 views, 15,000 views. And if you watch their videos, I've watched some of them, they are extremely good, especially coming from someone who doesn't really keep up with space or the space niche. These videos are extremely good. And I think that's part of the reason why this channel is doing so well also, is that they're hiring very good quality people to write the script, the voiceover, and the video edit. Moving on to the next niche, we have stories. So if you've been a long time watcher of my YouTube channel, I absolutely love stories. And the thing with stories is that I have a story channel myself. And what I've done is that you simply just hire a story writer and then you use stock footage to match what the story writer is talking about and also hire a nice soothing storyteller voiceover. So this is a channel called Real Facts. I have been keeping track of them when they were around 300,000 subscribers. They're averaging about 1 million views per month. It's not the high CPM, but the thing with stories is that their watch time is extremely good. I mean, think about how many times you've watched a story, beginning, middle, end. So with this channel in particular, the story is very good. People keep watching from the beginning all the way up until the end, and that's why their videos do really well. This channel is only posting once every 3 days also, but even so, a great niche to go into. You're playing the long-term game route though, because you aren't necessarily targeting keywords like you are with TV shows, sports, or celebrities. But even so, this channel is definitely viable. Now, the next channel I want to talk about is lifestyle. So this is a channel called 9-Figure Life, and it is absolutely crushing it without a doubt. So they're only posting once every 3 days, but they're getting 2 million views per month. But they've got a very particular niche called lifestyle billionaire or millionaire lifestyle. So that's what their niche is, and they target, notice how, names of specific people work well when it comes to what keywords you should target. So they're targeting the lifestyle of Mumbai, the lifestyle of oligarch Vladimir, the lifestyle of Henry Ford. So this is a very, very good channel that understands that targeting specific names of people, like the lifestyle of the Vatican. I'm pretty sure a lot of people aren't going up against this individual and targeting the word the Vatican. So what this individual is doing is that they're targeting very specific people, which a lot of other people don't really know about. And I do think that's one of the reasons why this channel is doing extremely well. So I do think they're making well over $15,000 per month also. This is a good route to go. Definitely, it's on the longer route side of things. It's not really a good niche when it comes to building a loyal audience, but without a doubt, they've got their niche and they're targeting the trillionaire lifestyles of individuals and the billionaire lifestyles of individuals. So moving on to the next niche, we have the niche of screen recording. So screen recording, which is actually what I'm doing right now, it's a very good niche to go into. It is faceless, but perhaps maybe you want to talk about things. So this is a channel called DreamCloud, and I've been following them since they were about 10,000 subscribers. But the thing with this is that they're getting 200,000 views per month, which is maybe around $6,000 per month, and they're only posting once a week. Very, very low overhead. So the thing with screen recording videos, and this is not the only channel I've seen do this, look at this steady graph. It's consistent videos getting into the algorithm. So even if this channel stopped posting, this channel would still make money. So they're just screen recording how-to videos, how to create relaxing music videos, how to boost watch time, how to find trending topics, how to create and optimize viral YouTube videos. This channel understands that they don't want to show their face, but they can do screen recordings teaching people how to do things. And with these how-to videos, they stay within the YouTube algorithm. These last two niches are very, very specific niches, which you don't want to miss. And let's start with the first one. It's a theme park niche or roller coaster. So this channel is called Theme Park Crazy. They're getting 1.6 million views per month, and they're only posting 0 times every week. So this channel in particular, they've been around for some time, but look, they posted 3 weeks ago and the video already got 100,000 views. I mean, that's really, really good. So something like this, there's really not a lot of theme park channels, but they do follow the Faceless model route. They have a script writer, they have a voiceover artist, and they have a video editor. So something like this, targeting the names of specific roller coasters, targeting the names of specific theme park rides, this is a very, very good YouTube channel. And without a doubt, again, look at a steady graph. They've got an arsenal of videos that are in the algorithm. So even if they did stop posting, I'm pretty sure they would still accumulate 1.6 million views per month. So this is the type of niche that I hope, if you're really interested, whatever your interests are, let's imagine that you're interested in roller coasters. Starting a niche in roller coasters is such a good idea. It follows along with everything that I preach. It's specific names, it's faceless videos, you can hire the content out, it's researchable. So something like this is an extremely good niche. Does this mean you should go into roller coasters? Perhaps, if you like roller coasters, but maybe this will make you think outside of the box when it comes to what niche you should go into. So the last niche I want to go over is mega projects. Mega projects is such a good niche to go into, again, because of the targeting of specific keywords and the spark of interest on a global scale when it comes to the ideas behind these videos. So how Texas is turning desert, drought, and heat wave into a farmland oasis. So they're targeting names of specific places, Texas, into an oasis. It makes you think, like, how on earth is Texas turning a desert into a nice, luscious green farmland? How the Sahara Desert turned from ocean to sand. So again, sparking interest, mega projects, Qatar FIFA World Cup 2022 Stadium. So this is a channel called The Primus. They're averaging about 200,000 views per month, and they're only posting 1 time per month. I have no doubt that this channel is absolutely gonna crush it. And if I were them, I would actually post a bit more, maybe once every week. But even so, their ideas behind their videos, although you don't see it now, I'm pretty sure they're gonna get a lot more views, but they target specific keywords. Their thumbnails are very good, before and after of a desert and meeting a farmland. Without a doubt, their CPM is definitely high. And if this is something that you're interested in, mega projects, the names of things that are being built in the world on a grand scale, this might be the niche for you. So once you've selected your niche, you're gonna wanna watch this video next on exactly how I research video topics that get millions of views on YouTube. So go check it out.